Hey, so here's Jimmy's boa and the Big Splash Birthday Bash by Trinka Hicks Noble with pictures by my pal Stephen Kellogg. Oh, here is Jimmy's boa and the poodle. Remember the poodle that he is friends with? They're in the dryer. Alrighty. Hi, Maggie. How was Jimmy's birthday party at Sealand? Super, but a little soggy. Why, Maggie, you're soaking wet. Well, it's not exactly dry inside a whale's mouth. A whale's mouth? What were you doing inside of a whale's mouth? Trying to hide from the sharks. Sharks? Sharks were chasing you? Well, not really. We thought they were after Jimmy's new goldfish, but Jimmy's pet boa constrictor saved it. Oh no, that boa again? And now a goldfish? Yeah, your friend Miss Peachtree caught the boa eating her laundry. He arrived just in time for the party, and the goldfish was a present from Jimmy's mom. She said it would make a nice, quiet, sensible pet. Boy, was she wrong. She was? Yeah, because Jimmy brought his new goldfish to Sealand. He wants to grow up to be a whale. Jimmy? No, the goldfish. Anyway, Jimmy set his goldfish on the railing of the big tank so he could see the whale. That doesn't sound good. But when the whale came swooping up to give the trainer a kiss, it missed and it kissed Jimmy's mom instead. It did? Yeah, and it must have been a whale of a kiss because it knocked her and the goldfish bowl right into the big tank. Then all of us dove in. What? You dove into the big tank? Yeah, as Jimmy's mom went flying over the railing, she yelled, "Dive right in!" So we did. But Jimmy's mom wouldn't have yelled that. You're right, Mom. We thought she yelled "dive right in," but she really yelled, "I can't swim!" Oh no, did she get out all right? Well, eventually, but we were too busy to help her. We had to catch Jimmy's goldfish before the sharks got it. Oh, and that's when you hid in the whale's mouth. Right. And Jimmy's boa coiled himself around the shark's mouth to help us save the goldfish, but the sharks weren't really after it. They weren't? Well, no, these pushy seals kept bumping into them. Pushy seals? Yeah, they were having this wild game of keep away with Jimmy's goldfish bowl. I played on the penguin side. There were penguins in the big tank? Well, not really. The big tank was getting crowded and the sharks were getting mad, so we all went over to the penguins tank. What? How did you get into the penguins tank? Well, Jimmy's bow made himself into a water slide, so we all slid over to the penguins tank to continue the game. That's why I smell this way. I wondered about that smell, but I was afraid to ask. Anyway, Mom, it was a great game between the penguins and the seals until the trainer yelled and fished us out with a big net. Was the trainer mad? No, he just told us that the party was over and to take a hike. But what about Jimmy's mom? Did the trainer pull her out too? No, the net wasn't long enough, but Jimmy's boa reached down with his long tail and pulled her out. That's the first time I ever saw her hug Jimmy's boa. I bet Jimmy's mom was glad to get in the car and come home. Well, we didn't leave right away. Jimmy refused to go without his goldfish and bowl. When the trainer fished out the bowl, there was an octopus stuck in it, and the trainer said that we could keep the octopus if we would just leave, so we did. What happened to the goldfish? Oh, he stayed to become a part of the whale's act, and that's why I need my allowance. Your allowance? Yeah, since Jimmy lost his birthday present, we're all buying him as many goldfish as we can. Bye. Wait, Maggie, I'm not sure that's such a good idea. Oh dear, I better phone Jimmy's mom. And indeed she did. You can see Jimmy's mom is on the phone. Oh dear, right over here. See, she's on the phone. But everybody's showing up with the goldfish for Jimmy. Oh my goodness. There are goldfish and octopus, sisses, and Jimmy's boa, and an original birthday poem. And there are a lot of things going on in this picture. Let me start over here. Plus, Jimmy's mom seems to have an ice cream thing on her head. Thanks, Mom. That was the best birthday I ever had, says Jimmy to his mom. No, the goldfish and the octopus. Oh, it's been a week. It's been a Stephen Kellogg kind of week. I hope you've enjoyed these. I'll be back for the magic trick later. See ya.